ዌል ዳን። አሁኑኑ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። አሁኑኑ ጉድ።
እሺ ክቡራትና ክቡራን፣ ጥያቄ ቁጥር 1 ሃው ሜኒ ዲፈረንት ካይንድስ ኦፍ አሚኖ አሲድስ አር ዜር ፎር ፕሮቲን ሲንተሲስ? ኤ 20 ቢ 24 ሲ 26 ዲ 32 So there are 20 standard amino acids that are very important for protein synthesis. ስለዚህ ሰውነታችን ውስጥ ፕሮቲኖች ሲንተሳይዝድ እንዲሆኑ ወደ 20 የሚደርሱ የተለያዩ አሚኖ አሲዶችን ያስፈልጋሉ። በነገራችን ላይ አሚኖ አሲድስ ኢሴንሻል አሚኖ አሲድስ እና ነን ኢሴንሻል አሚኖ አሲድስ ብለን በሁለት መክፈል እንችላለን። እነዚህ ኢሴንሻል የሚባሉት 9 አሚኖ አሲዶች ናቸው። they are obtained from the food that we eat የምናገኛቸው ከምንመገበው ምግብ ሲሆን ነን ኢሴንሻል አሚኖ አሲድስ የሚባሉ ደግሞ 11 ሲሆኑ ሰውነታችን የሚያመርታቸው አሚኖ አሲዶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በአጠቃላይ ወደ 20 የሚደርሱ የተለያዩ አሚኖ አሲዶች ለፕሮቲን ሲንተሲስ ያስፈልጋሉ። That's why the answer for question number 1 is 20 amino acids. ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ which of the following compound is important component of bacterial cell wall? Bacterial cell wall is made up of which chemical compound? Chitin, peptidoglycan, cellulose, pectin. Good. So the answer is peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is the structural component of bacterial cell wall. How about chitin? Fungal cell wall. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin, whereas plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. But our main target is bacterial cell wall. Bacterial cell wall is made up of a compound known as peptidoglycan. That's why መልሱ ፔፕቲዶግላይኬን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ which of the following is not recycled between organisms and their environment in an ecosystem? Good. Energy, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus. Don't forget that energy cannot be recycled. The ultimate source of energy is sun. Sunlight is the ultimate source of the main source of energy. ስለዚህ ይሄ ከፀሐይ ብርሃን የሚመጣውን ሶላር ኤነርጂ ዳይሬክትሊ ጥቅም ላይ የሚያውሉት ፕሮዲሰሮች ወይ ደግሞ አውቶትሮፊክ የሆኑ ኦርጋኒዝሞች ላይ ግሪን ፕላንቶች ናቸው። So the solar energy is converted into chemical energy by the process called photosynthesis. Then producers are eaten by the herbivorous organisms, herbivorous by carnivorous. That's why energy flows in a single direction. It cannot be recycled. But carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, these nutrients can be recycled in a given ecosystem. They can be changed from one form into another form. But energy cannot be recycled. So the answer for question number 3 is said to be energy. The next question number 4. As shown by Gregor Mendel in Garden P, what percentage of the F2 generation of monohybrid cross has the recessive phenotype? Very good. The F2 generation shows a phenotype ratio of 3:1. 3:1. What does it mean? 3 dominant and then 1 recessive. 3 dominant, 1 recessive. So what does this mean? This means the recessive phenotype appears in 1 out of 4 offsprings. So the percentage is 1/4 times 100%. It gives us 25%.